two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Capital One account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for an option labeled Security or Security Settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, search for the option related to two-factor authentication. It may be listed as two-step verification or 2FA. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving the verification code, such as via text message or email. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Make sure to save your changes and test the 2FA by logging out and logging back in to ensure it works correctly. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Capital One account with two-factor authentication. Stay safe and secure online.